Using your campus card, you can print, copy and scan on various printers across campus, regardless of where you sent the job from. Just make sure that you have enough money on your card and you will be ready to go. To start, simply insert your card into the slot on the printer. Select whether you want to copy or scan, or if you want to print. To copy, place the pages on the glass plate and make sure that the settings are correct. If you need help with the language, feel free to ask at the service desk. Once you are happy, press the green button and your copies will be printed. For scans, you have two options. You can save to a USB stick or to the print portal, which we will show afterwards. As with copying, place your pages on the glass plate and check that the settings are correct. In order to save multiple scans as one PDF when printing to a USB stick, go to Auftragerstellung and switch this on. Press the green button to scan each side and, once you are finished, click Auftrag übermitteln to complete the scan job. To access the print portal and find your scans, go to Printing, Copying and Scanning on the Learning Center website. Log in using your university username and password. Here you can find and download your scans, manage, delete or renew your recent print jobs, view your recent transactions, and even print from mobile devices. However, be careful when using this, as you cannot change the settings of your documents. Alternatively, you can print PDFs at the printer directly from your USB stick or other documents from any computer with a print driver installed. If you want to print in color, you must first go to Printer Properties, then Image Options, and remove the check next to Xerox Black and White Conversion. Once you have clicked Print, insert your card into the nearest printer and select Print. Here you can view or delete your active print jobs, print one document, or print all.